Hello, my lovelies. I'm Arvada with Method Makeup and Personify Bridal, and today we're doing a very quick Boxy Charm unboxing because I have a client in like 30 minutes. We got to get this done, but I need to get this video recorded. It's a whole thing. Coming from you from the new studio, still no art on the rolls because the last place we were working on is my personal office. Everything else is in the front room, which looks fabulous, by the way, and I will be doing a video on that. But anyways, to the Boxy Charm, because again, short timing. Alright, so I'm opening the box. Ugh. This is going to be our last Boxy Charm for a few months. I am going to let them get some new stuff because I am overstocked. And hopefully the box came some damaged, like squished. This is not the only box that came kind of squished of my mail. So I'm thinking something might have leaked. Oh yeah, something seriously leaked. All over the place. This leaked. This is an M Greengrass Skincare. It's cardamom and lavender from, oh my gosh, this will kill me. I'm allergic to lavender. But this would have made a really nice gift, but the mailman messed up all of this. It is just everywhere, all over the box, all over the box. This is a foaming body scrub. And it is everywhere. It's lavender, but it doesn't smell typically female. Like usually you think it's actually got this really nice, I think it's the bergamot in it, and it's got some amber or rose amber and patchouli. So it's a very, I guess it'd just be unisex. Like it's not too fruity, flowery, whatever. It's a beautiful smell. Even with lavender in it, it's a beautiful smell. I wish it had lost like a third of the bottle because our delivery people, this is going to be irritating. Sorry, I've got to clean it off my hands so I don't break out. And it's just on and they send a Primrose and cream. There is this wash on everything. Everything is soapy. Ugh. Okay, I've got to pause this video because I got to take this all into the restroom and wash everything because it is just covered in this body wash. Okay, everything has been rinsed off. I actually had to throw away all the boxes for everything but one because they're fully saturated. I had to even rinse the insert. It just soaked in it. So anyways, let's start this again. So it is the Boxy Charm Beauty Bash. I guess they're having 80% off retail sale coming up on Boxy Charm. So that's kind of cool. Alright, so you have Glow on Fifth, Refresh, Reset, and Brightening Mud Mask. This is the only one I didn't have to completely throw away the packaging because it is wrapped in plastic. It's a mud mask. Oh, yes. I hope I can do the ingredients because I freaking love mud masks. This is so exciting. Hopefully. Let's see. Ingredients. Can I use it? Please tell me I can use it. Ah, I can use it. So exciting. I am going to use this for myself because I like mud masks. I don't think they necessarily work better than like every other type of mask. They are just much more entertaining. They feel better. I don't know, they just feel really good on the skin. So I just want to smell it. Smells a little, don't know how to describe the smell. It's not a bad smell. Not a great smell. It's not a bad smell. It's just a smell, I guess. Alright, next thing is the Trestique foundation stick. So this is a foundation stick. And with a blendy sponge on this side. This might be my color. It looks pale enough. So I'll have to give that a shot. I need a foundation for at home anyways. I don't use foundation very often, so that'll be nice. So this retails for $30, the foundation stick for $30. Then there's the Seraphim Botanicals Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. This one is cruelty free and it retails for 42. Oh, those are beautiful. So it's a duo lip cheek. I've been meaning to get a cream blush to play around with because I've been using cream foundations and cream bronzers um, a lot more than I did before. And I've been wanting to look into cream blushes. And these are beautiful colors that would work on a variety of skin tones. So I am super stoked about this. I will admit that I'm really glad that my last Boxy Charm for the next for the year, but also for the next foreseeable few months, is a really good one. So, hey, excited about that. All right, and then we have the Embrace Carbon Foaming Body Scrub. This one retails for 24. I am very allergic to a few of the ingredients in here, but for those of you who aren't, it smells really nice. It's got rose and aloe vera and lavender, so this is like death in a bottle for me. But I think I will give it to my sister, who really likes these types of things, and this smells and is not allergic to anything. But it smells beautiful. Men, women, everyone. I think it's a beautiful smell that most people would like. It would just smell good on most skin. So I think that'd be really great and feel really good in the shower, I'm sure. It foams really well. I know because I just spent like 10 minutes washing everything. All right, last but not least is the Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Retails for 18. And I need to read the ingredients on that one to make sure is nothing I can't use. But I've needed a lip oil for my Pro Kit as well. The one I have been using, I'm running out of. So this one doesn't smell anything, which is good, and it's clear. But I think every kit needs good lip oil. So I've got some really good stuff here. I am super excited about this Boxy Charm. Let me know what you got in yours. Also, in the comments and stuff, let me know if there's any videos you want to see. I've been really busy lately, so I haven't been posting a lot. But please let me know if there's something you do want to see. In particular, once things settle down just a little bit as I go into my off season, I will start with the weekly looks again and finish doing the Kevin Aquan looks that I was doing and finish that out for the fun that it will be. So until next time, I'll talk to you later.